Hello YouTube. Are you having trouble with your website visibility? Have you ever wanted your website to look like this with no visibility on the internet? Have you already gone to your WordPress admin panel and to the settings menu under the readings tab only to find out that the visibility options is missing and no longer exists? Well, I'm going to show you how you can achieve a workaround. First, you will need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Then scroll down and click the Plugins tab, and then select Add Plugin right at the top of the page. On the search box, type in Maintenance. Then among the list of maintenance plugins, you will find the Light Start plugin. Select Activate. Once it reads Active, scroll down your site panel and select Light Start. On the settings page, under Status, click Activate. You can change or keep the rest of the settings options on this page and the tabs at the top. When you're satisfied with the way things look, hit Save Settings at the bottom of the page. Log out of your WordPress and try visiting your website. You will come to your web page looking like this, and so will your visitors. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.